Hey guys, welcome to another day of Vlogmas! Today we'll be showing you how to stay fit during the holidays, which is really tough.
How not to go overboard during the holidays.
Yeah, that might be a better way of saying it. Let's go. So just a quick disclaimer, we are not doctors, not dietitians, not personal trainers or nutritionists or whatever. These are just our tips on how we stay fit or, not go overboard during the holiday season, because we know how easy you can go overboard with all the holiday parties, holiday foods, all you can cheat days. So we basically just do what's best for us and we listen to our own bodies to stay within our range.
In a good range.
I
don't want to spill over, but I don't want to not eat everything.
Exactly. You want to enjoy foods during the holidays. You want to enjoy company and...
The best way to spend time with company is to have a potluck or
usually
eat
with
food with them or try something new with them. And all they're selling out there is candy, sugar, bacon,
those
donuts, gingerbreads, Oreos.
Can you tell what we like to eat?
Pizza,
oh gosh,
hot dogs,
okay,
bagels.
I think they get it. So we'll just be going through what we're currently doing and then a few tips to kind of get you through the holiday season.
Alright guys, first things first. One of the hardest things to do or keep a handle on is your diet. That is usually the first thing to do. First thing to go. Starting at Thanksgiving, up until Easter, you're pretty much eating candy.
I was not expecting you to say Easter.
For some people, that might be right.
I mean, yeah, kind of.
So usually there's that gap, right? So Thanksgiving, eat a lot of food. Black Friday, have a horrible diet that day. Then every week after that, until New Year's, you're saying, diet doesn't matter to me.
Screw it! I already cheated, why not go all the way?
So we're not saying to not eat those things, it's keep them in check. So the best way to do that would be eating healthier food options. Not going totally vegan, not totally going vegetarian, nothing like specifically those. But make sure you're eating whole food options, keeping your sugar down, maybe doing something like an 80% healthy during the day and then 20% not as healthy during the day.
Yeah, eat in moderation.
I know a lot of you still have turkey in your fridge from Thanksgiving. So turkey is high in protein, low in fat. Make sure you're making proper utilization of leftovers and good, wholesome whole foods.
So currently, we are not tracking macros, we're not measuring out anything. We're just kind of eating intuitively. We eat when we're hungry, stop when we're full, eat mainly whole foods, maybe have like a cookie or two. I mean, you've seen our Oreo stuff, right? We ate like all of that within a few days, but we spread it out.
Yeah, so leftovers are kind of a two-edged sword. It's like leftovers, if it's healthy leftovers, you have food for the next coming days. If it's unhealthy leftovers, you're gonna be eating
like month.
Yeah, you're gonna have foods for like the next day.
Spread it out, but still enjoy it.
Going along with being and eating healthy, you do want to make sure you are getting your liquids, as in water, as in healthy drinks. Like maybe if you are so inclined, a protein shake or a green drink, fruit drinks that are low in sugar. Don't go crazy on the soda. I know it's out there, you're gonna want to drink it. Don't go crazy on the apple cider. I know it's out there, it's full of sugar. Try to keep your drink choices to a low in sugar, probably sticking to water. That'll actually help you not go crazy and actually let you eat the foods that you want to eat instead of drinking all the sugar and calories instead.
Drinks have a buttload of calories.
Yeah, if you let them go that way.
And say you do want to have like an apple cider or something. Those are really sugary drinks. water it down. I tend to water my drinks down because they're a little too sugary, and then that way you can enjoy a little bit more.
All right, now for the fun stuff. The diet part is hard, but actually getting into the gym, that might be the easiest part for you or the hardest. We know you're busy, everyone's busy, you're working more hours, you're going to stuff after work, but hitting the gym at least an hour, maybe a couple times a week, that'll actually help you keep your sanity. At least for us right now, since it is the holidays, we aren't tracking macros. You're doing 80% healthy, 20% not so healthy. We're actually in a strength phase. So we are trying to get our major lifts, that is bench press, deadlift, and squat. Those are the big three. We're trying to get those numbers up there.
Oh yeah, up there. And we're getting them up there.
Show the clip of you doing 225 for one.
Ooh.
Do it!
What?
Let's go!
I don't know.
So excited.
Let's go!
Oh my gosh, I've never had that before.
To get something you never got before, you gotta do something you never done before.
That's right.
See, so she wasn't able to do that at the beginning of the year. Right now, since we're kind of just going at a moderate pace, every week progressing, and we're eating well, not eating crazy, eating well.
And not super healthy, just well.
Yeah.
Balanced.
Well, she was able to do that. We're going to the gym, and we're gonna take you through it. We'll show you one of the few workouts that we do at least once a week.
We are squatting today.
Roll that clip.
It doesn't count unless it's on camera. It doesn't count.
just saw what we did. You saw us squat heavy because we like doing that sometimes.
Oh yeah, I love squatting heavy.
If you enjoyed that, let us know in the comments below, or if you want to know any more of our workouts.
Yeah, let us know if you want to see more.
And if you have any tips and tricks that you know of that we should incorporate, or if you want to see another body group, let us know.
Let us know in the comments below.
Now for the fun part. Top tips and tricks for not going overboard during the holiday.
Tip number 1, make good eating decisions. Like we said, 80% whole food, 20% whatever you'd like. We just got done with working out, and now we are at sushi. Leroy and Michaela. All you can eat sushi. Like we said, 80-20, balance.
Ooh, my tuna roll, thank you.
Perfect timing.
Aha.
This guy's basing got a tuna roll. Just make sure you include some fruits, some veggies, some lean proteins, whole grains. Make sure you include all of that.
You know what's healthy. Eat those. Along with making good eating decisions, you might find in your day that sometimes it isn't enough, or sometimes you can't get the right amounts of foods into your diet. Luckily, there are a few supplements that we would recommend. Remember, make sure you know what you're doing, consult your doctor, make sure that these are supplements that you are able to take. For our general purposes on the day-to-day, we like to take a multivitamin. Make sure you're getting all the vitamins, minerals, and all the good stuff that you probably aren't getting from your holiday diet. Vitamin C, that's actually a really good one.
Yes, keep your immune system up there.
And last one would be a protein powder. Whatever you like, just make sure that what you're getting is you can tolerate it. Sometimes they have lactose, sometimes they have high in sugar, sometimes they just don't taste good.
Look at those nutrition labels.
Yeah, any kind of protein powder. It actually helps set you off in a really good way if you take one in the morning. You're not a breakfast person, make sure you get your protein in the morning. And if you do need it during the day, or maybe you're working out, have it as a post-workout shake. Whatever protein powder you like, because as you know, on the holiday diet, it's all sugar. You need some protein in your life.
This is true.
It's all carbs and fat,
and cookies,
maybe
and cake,
maybe
and
a little
pie.
protein sprinkled on the side with some turkey. So protein, multivitamin, vitamin C.
And then again, along with all of that, stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water. 8 cups a day, more if you're working out.
Tip number 2 is staying active. So as you saw, we go to the gym. We're gym rats.
We are.
But we like staying active. So
Yes.
you don't have to go to the gym unless you already are. Good for you. So staying active can mean anything. That can be like making sure you're actually standing up every 30 minutes if you have a desk job. Maybe invest in a standing up desk or a medicine ball chair. Those actually make you stabilize you know?
Yeah, it stabilizes the core.
Yeah.
Or get one of those treadmill desks. Those are fun too. You can just walk while working. Have you seen those?
That so much cardio.
They have like treadmills and bike desks. Those are fun.
And if you can't get to the gym, or if you're just super busy at work, maybe after work or maybe post dinner, you can take a little walk around the block. Something like that, just to keep the blood flowing. You'll actually really enjoy it. Take your friends, take your family, take your pets. They need exercise too. Don't let your pets get holiday fat either.
Sometimes our schedules get a little crazy too, and we can't make it to the gym for like a week or 2 at a time. So we do actually have bands that we use. We also take them traveling. 1 second.
Oh yeah,
So-
this is a treadmill back here.
Oh, yeah, that's what we use too if we don't have time to actually make it to the gym. But these are the bands I'm talking about. They're different colors, which indicate how difficult they are.
So this one on the actual thing, you can see it says 35 pounds. That's the resistance that this guy has. It ranges from, what's the lightest one? Yellow?
I think it's red. I think it's 10 pounds. Oh, that's 20. Oh, you're right, yellow. 5 pounds.
Yellow is 5 pounds, so it ranges from 5 to 35 pounds.
And you can make it even more difficult by like wrapping them around certain things.
Looping it on the floor,
not to,
smack your face.
yes, or break any furniture while you do it. But yeah, this is what we do, and we take this traveling as well to kind of stay fit if we don't have a hotel gym.
And that's a pretty cheap buy on Amazon. Link down in the description if you are interested.
Yes.
Also for the supplements, you'll have everything linked.
And if you're interested in seeing any band workouts too, let us know. Tip number 3, get enough rest. You definitely need that rest. Your body will thank you for it. Trust me.
Your body needs it. That's when a lot of processes in your body actually happen. That's where growth happens. Recovery, stress relief.
And you'll just feel more refreshed.
And if you're getting enough rest during the day, you're gonna have more energy during the day.
Which means you can stay more active, you can have a better workout, you'll be able to eat better too.
Make better decisions.
I feel like when we're sleepy and tired and just not well rested, that's when we make our worst food decisions. That's when we like to eat out because it's easier, it's quicker.
Tacos are calling my name.
All the time.
All the time. To go along with that, tip number 4, it is the holiday season. So treat yourself by not stressing out. There are so many studies out there that stress is the #1 cause of A, B, and C. This, and that, etc, etc. You've heard of them. Don't get stressed out. It's supposed to be a happy time. If one of the things that's stressing you out is your diet, just take it easy. You know what's healthy for you. If something that's stressing you out is your workout, get a band, take a walk around the block,
do some yoga, meditate a little bit. I mean, it'll help de-stress you, for sure.
If one of the things that's stressing you out is holidays, specifically people coming in, they're your family, it's okay. Presents, it's your family, it's okay. They're your friends, it's okay. Celebrating, you have friends, you have family, it's gonna be okay.
Everything's going to be okay.
Happy holidays.
So that kind of goes in with tip number 5. Just have fun. Like, life is not that serious. Just enjoy it. Enjoy the time with your family, your friends, the holiday season, food. Enjoy everything.
It's okay.
I can't.
Alright guys, so that was our how to stay fit, don't go overboard with your holiday diet, take it easy, it's okay. Tips and tricks, Vlogmas edition.
Okay.
I hope you enjoyed because we're gonna enjoy our holiday diet. Remember, keep it 100, 80-20, 80-20. 75-25. No, just 80-20. It's too much fun to do 75-25, 80-20.
Oh gosh. With 110% effort.
Maximum effort. Where's that from? Where's that from? Maximum effort. Let me know in the comments. If you want more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. We'll talk to you back. And until next time, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye. Happy holidays. Enjoy your food. It's okay.
It's okay.
You're ridiculous.